So what is up mga ka-tech shop, no? Woo! For today's video mga tech shop, I have here iPhone X display issue mga tech shop, and the customer just kept the original LCD. Last 2 months ago I replaced LCD for this phone mga tech shop, and then now customer dropped the phone and it broke the LCD. So customer decided to replace or put back the old LCD for this iPhone X. So let's go ahead and disassemble the phone mga tech shop. Remove the screws at the bottom of the screen, and then let's pry the edges of the screen mga tech shop. And I'm using this special tool to open LCD. It's an LCD opener for iPhone. So we have to pry the edges. We have to be very careful. For this one, I don't have to worry about opening the edges or prying the edges because it's already broken. But if it's a new LCD or working LCD magnetic shop, you have to be very careful because you might damage the LCD, and the LCD is quite expensive magnetic shop. So let's go ahead and remove the screws and the metal plate that protects the flex cables. Once done mga tech shop, we can now remove or deattach the LCD flex cables and the flex cable for the earpiece. And also let's deattach the battery. Alright, so we managed to remove the LCD. Next step on the tech shop is to clean the edges of the screen. So let's remove the old glue. Let's clean it up. And I'm just using Q-tips to clean up the camera lens on the LCD. And then now let's transfer the earpiece that's from the old LCD, from the broken LCD. Let's put it to the original LCD of this phone. So basically mga tech shop, when your LCD is already a replacement, it's gonna be easier to get broken if you dropped it. So you'll have to be very careful on that one. Even if it's expensive, it's still fragile compared to the original LCD. So after transferring the earpiece, we are now ready to test the LCD. And as you can see mga tech shop, I tested the LCD and it's working fine. Touch is also working, display is working, and we are now ready to assemble the phone. And also let's put the screw. And if you're interested in this kind of video my tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go.